Welcome to Shree Learning Academy. Today we are covering physical attacks. If you are looking for more personalized training, we also offer private sessions. Just connect with us on WhatsApp. Alright, let's get started. Let's talk about something that sounds pretty high-tech, but is actually quite straightforward once you break it down. Physical attacks on technology systems. These aren't the kind of attacks that happen over the internet or involve someone guessing your password. We are talking about the attacks that involve real-world hands-on methods. Things someone could do by actually being close to the equipment or the building where your data is stored. First up is what's called a physical brute force attack. Now don't confuse this with the type of brute force attack where someone is trying to guess your password. That's a digital brute force attack. This one is different. Imagine someone trying to literally break into a secure room, force upon a locked cabinet, or smash upon a hard drive to steal the data. It's the old-fashioned kind of brute force, not through software but with tools like crowbars, hammers, or even drills. The reason why it's called brute force is because the attacker attempts every possible method to break in, similar to how they try every possible password combination in digital attacks. Let's say a company has a server room where all their important data is stored. This room is locked and only certain people are allowed inside. A physical brute force attacker might try to break the door open or cut through the wall, or even sneak in when no one's watching and tamper with the machines. They could steal hard drives or even install malicious hardware to collect the data later. It's all about bypassing physical barriers by sheer force or clever tricks. Next, we have something a little sneakier. RFID cloning. RFID stands for radio frequency identification. You have probably used RFID without even realizing it. It's in contactless cards, key fobs, and even ID badges. When you wave your access card in front of a reader to open a door, that's RFID in action. Now what if someone could copy the signal and use it to pretend they are you? That's what RFID cloning is. It's when an attacker captures the signal from your RFID card and duplicates it into another card. They don't even have to touch you to do this. They could walk by you with a hidden scanner in their backpack or coat pocket, and within seconds they have copied your card. Once they have done that, they can use the clone card to enter secure areas just like you would. It's like making a fake key without needing to see the original. Just being nearby is enough. To give you an example, think about a hospital where staff use RFID cards to access the medication rooms or patient files. If someone clones a nurse card, they could get inside those areas and do serious damage, steal drugs, change patient information, or just snoop around. That's why protecting RFID cards and using encrypted or more advanced types of batches is so important. Many people use specialized wallets that block RFID signals to prevent others from wirelessly stealing their card information just by walking near them. Now let's move to a different type of physical attack that doesn't involve breaking things or stealing access cards, but instead targets the environment itself. Yes, attackers can go after the systems that keep everything running smoothly like power, cooling, and other infrastructure. For instance, all those powerful servers in a data center generate a lot of heat. They need constant cooling to work properly. And what if someone tampers with the air conditioning system? The temperature rises, machines start overheating, and eventually they can shut down or even get damaged permanently. That's an environmental attack. Another example is targeting the power supply. Imagine an attacker cutting off the electricity or disrupting the backup generators. Suddenly, everything goes dark. Servers go offline. Data transfers are interrupted. And the whole business operation is brought to a halt. And it doesn't stop there. Some attackers might mess with operating system or connected devices like fire alarms or water sprinklers, causing false alarms or worse, physical damage. Think about a bank's data center. If someone manages to mess with the cooling system and servers go down during the business hours, it could mean millions of dollars in lost transactions. Or imagine an attacker triggering the sprinkler system in a server room. Water and electronics definitely don't mix. That's a serious blow to any organization. So when we talk about physical attacks, we are not just talking about the hackers behind the computers. These are real-world threats that involve tampering with buildings, machines, ID cards, or the environment those systems depend on. And the scary part is, many places are so focused on cyber attacks, they sometimes forget about these physical risks. But a locked door A secure card or a stable power supply can be just as important as a strong password. In the end, protecting technology isn't just about firewalls and antivirus software. It's about making sure someone can't just walk in and steal a hard drive, copy a batch, or shut down your air conditioning to cause damage. It's a combination of both digital and physical security, because a system is only as strong as its weakest link. And sometimes that weakest link is something as simple as a door left open or a card left unguarded. So next time you think about security, remember, it's not just about what's happening online. It's also about what could happen right under your nose in the real world. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you are looking for more personalized training, contact us on WhatsApp. We offer a range of theoretical and practical courses starting at just $99. You can also find a written explanation and a quiz on our website. Link in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful videos and feel free to ask any questions in the comments. We are here to help. See you in the next one.